Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 4th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the euro dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the euro dollar did make another pretty good push up today, but now most recently it did go down. It did break structure on a time frame that's showing a fairly smooth cycle. Most likely this move down is going to be a crescent to the move up, and most likely it is going to keep on going up, but it's definitely a break of structure to the downside. And if you are a short time frame trader or a scalper, you could definitely be looking for shorts. And who knows, especially with the way things are going, and especially with the fact we got non-farm payroll tomorrow, this actually could even turn into a trend reversal, even though I kind of doubt that's the case. But you never know. It did break structure. This setting up trend right here is very likely to be over. It should be a crescent to this move up, but it could easily just keep on trending. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the corner down here below, and don't forget to check out my membership program in my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.